Looking for a way to reset or repair your Nintendo Switch 2 Joy-Cons cause they're not working properly? This only takes a few seconds. First, let's open the controllers menu for better visual. And now what you gotta do is detach the Joy-Con from the system. Just press on the release button at the back and it will come off. Now let's bring it closer. Here, the circular button that you see right beside the connector port is your reset button. So you just gotta press it all the way down, and you may need to use your fingernails. And as soon as you press it, you'll see the LED will turn off. And you can see on the screen, it has vanished. Which means your Joy-Con is now reset. To pair it back, you can just snap it back on. In the same way you can reset the other Joy-Con. You can also pair them back after the reset by pressing on any other buttons except the thumbsticks. And that's how you reset and repair your Joy-Cons. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.